the ratio of minimum to maximum wavelengths in Balmer series. So this is a straightforward question, but here trick has to be find out minimum and maximum wavelengths. So basically they are asking lambda min divided by lambda max, okay, and specifically for Balmer series, right? This is we need. Now we know that in Balmer series n1 is always equal to 2. This is the series line. So now we have formula says that 1 upon lambda is equal to Rydberg constant into 1 upon n1 square minus 1 upon n2 square. So for Balmer series this will become 1 upon 2 square minus 1 upon n2 square. Now our question is that minimum and maximum. So understand, if this is n equal to 2, then the next one will be n equal to 3 and 4 and likewise so on up to n equal to infinity. So understand, when we are talking about lambda is going to be hc by E, because the formula is E is equal to hc by lambda. That shows lambda is inversely proportional to energy. That means if I am talking about lambda minimum, that means energy has to be maximum at that point of time, and vice versa. If I am talking about lambda max, that means energy has to be minimum. So now you can clearly see, if you come from n equal to 3 to n equal to 2, this is the only possible case for E minimum, and for E maximum case will be if you come from n equal to infinity to n equal to 2. So this is the case for E max. So once I got the logic that E max and E minimum, that means for lambda minimum I need to use E maximum. That shows I need to use n equal to infinite. So if I am using n equal to infinite here, and for lambda minimum such that n2 has to be n equal to 3 only. Getting my point? Yes. And once if you put the value, you get 1 upon lambda minimum if I am talking about, so r into 1 upon 2 square minus 1 upon infinite square, which gives us r into 1 upon 4 only. This value will be 0 itself. From there I can calculate lambda minimum is going to be 4 divided by r, and this is going to be our equation number 1 itself. For lambda n equal to n2 is equal to 3, then we can calculate 1 upon lambda maximum is equal to r into 1 upon 2 square minus 1 upon 3 square. Perfect. So if I put the value, this will be 1 upon 4 minus 1 upon 9. So we can write here 1 upon lambda max is equal to r. This will be 9 into 4, 36. We can write it 9 minus 4. So let me create some space here in order to find this value. So we get lambda max is going to be 36 r divided by 5. Okay, this is going to be our equation number 1 and 2. Now we need lambda min divided by lambda max. This is for Balmer series is equal to, you put the values from equation number 1 and 2. So equation number 1 gives us 4 by r. So this is 4 divided by r, and I did one mistake. This is not 36 r by 5. This is 30 by 6, but 36 by 5 r. So this will be 4 by r, and this is 36 by 5 r only. So this r and r is cancelled out. 4 will go with 5. So 4 into 5 divided by 36. This can be written as 5 by 9, or it can be written as 5 raised to 9. So finally we got one answer, 5 raised to 9, which has to be the right choice. So option number 1, 5 raised to 9 will be our right choice. Okay. So conceptually this segment was important when we are getting lambda minimum and when we are getting lambda maximum. Okay.